Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have an exciting video for you. Madam Glam review. So someone from Madam Glam actually reached out to me. They wanted to send me some fall colors to test for you guys. So they said that they would send over everything that I would need to do the nails. They even sent over a lamp, a little lamp. Look how cute. And so I do have a discount code for you guys for them. So make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to see what that code is. So I'm just opening up the little lamp because I'm really curious about how this works. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, look how sleek that looks. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute, super sleek, has one little button on the top, Madam Glam Mini. I think they have a full-size lamp as well, but this one's super cute. This one's really good for at home, just doing your nails at home. To have just a little lamp if you're just doing your own nails, like it folds up perfectly. And so you just stick your nails in, press the button on top. You do have to plug it in. I do have the plug right here. It is a USB plug though, so you do need to have the actual plug for the wall to attach this. And then it says that it's a 45-second / 60-second button. Okay, so it says press once for 45 seconds, press twice for 60 seconds. That's super cute, super cool. I already have my big lamp here plugged in, so we're just gonna use that. But how cute is this little guy? And then in here we have our colors. She said she wanted to send over some fall colors. So I did put on my olive green shirt. I have my orange kind of coppery hair. So I'm set for fall. We are ready for fall. So let's go ahead and open it up. And so I have shared Madam Glam on this channel before, but it's been a really long time since I've done an order from them, just because I've been using so much of my Light Elegance colors recently. But I hands down love Madam Glam. So let's get into it. They did send me base coat and top coat, so that's nice. And then I did get 3 colors here, and I'll go ahead and put a close-up video here as well. So this first color is Lonely Boy, which I already have Lonely Boy, but it is like a dark green, dark foresty green type of a color. And so I'm not going to open this. I'm also not going to open top and base because I have my own top and base. So I'm gonna add these to my giveaway pile. I am doing a huge giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed. I have tons of goodies for you guys. Next one here, this one is Creamy Caramel. Love that, Creamy Caramel. I actually have a caramel pumpkin candle lit in the background, so it just smells like fall in here. This one is going to be a light nude shade. It'll be a really nice background color, and it does have that warm kind of caramel undertone to it. And then the third color that they sent over is called Cowardly Lion, which I love. Wizard of Oz is my favorite movie, so love that this is called Cowardly Lion. And it is this really pretty It's like a light to medium orange color, and it has the prettiest just hint of sparkle throughout it. It's so gorgeous. So now I have 3 fall colors, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little tutorial and show you how to use all 3 of these colors for one manicure. Alright, so here are what all the colors look like, and I did do a shiny top coat and then a matte top coat just so you could see the difference. The only one that has a bigger difference being matte is Cowardly Lion, just because of that shimmer. Gives it a different effect, but the other ones don't look too different. You know how some colors look completely different matte? So I like to test them out. But that is what the colors look like, and I have this hand prepped ready to go, so we're gonna go ahead and do the tutorial over here. Alright, getting into the tutorial, I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And on my pinky, I'm going to go ahead and start with Cowardly Lion, which is that beautiful orange sparkle shade. Then I go ahead and do Creamy Caramel on my ring finger, my middle finger, and my thumb. And then finally I go in with Lonely Boy on my pointer finger. That is that nice kind of hunter green shade. And I do 2 coats of all of these colors. And here is what the palette is looking like so far. It's looking very fall-like. And I'm going to go ahead and do some stamping. So I do remove the tacky coat on my ring finger, my middle finger, and my thumb. Taking this plate from Clear Jelly Stamper, this is their Got Plaid plate. So I feel like plaid is the perfect pattern to do for fall. And I did find 2 stamping polishes that matched the orange and the green that Madam Glam sent me. So number 22 is the orange. I'm going to stamp this first for the thicker lines of the plaid. Then going in with number 38, which is this dark hunter green, and I'm going to stamp the fine lines of this. And so I decided to do the stamping just on my middle finger and on my thumb, and left the ring finger plain just because I didn't want to add too much, and I just really wanted to enhance those colors that they sent me. And don't be fooled, I did have to go in and stamp the plaid on my thumb twice because I totally messed it up the first time. I didn't leave that footage in here, but if you want to see me struggle with stamping, then go check out my last video. I'll leave a link in the description box down below, but it was my clear jelly stamper haul, which I got this plate in. I do a plaid pumpkin design, and the struggle was real. I did leave all that footage in that video. Now I'm just cleaning up the excess polish off my skin with a brush dipped in acetone. And then I decided, since the plaid didn't quite reach all the way down my nails, since I had some pretty long nails on, I kind of wiped off the tip of the nail for the stamping. And I went back in with Cowardly Lion and I tried to create a backwards ombre, so that way the orange tip kind of faded into the plaid. So here is what the nails look like, and I am pretty pleased with how I was able to incorporate all three of these colors into one design. And they are simple, but they are perfect for fall and getting into fall. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial of my plaid nails using all of the colors that Madam Glam sent me. Again, thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending me over these polishes. And like I mentioned, I do have a discount code for you guys. I will put it up on the screen. It is Amy Nails 30_1, and there will also be a link in the description box. Make sure to click that link, put in my code, save 30% off of some Madam Glam polishes. And again, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy me doing these type of like nail little tutorials, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.